What's up, guys, and welcome to the bonus episode that I was speaking about in the last episode. In this episode, we will be teaching how to remove blemishes or scars or whatever marks seems to be on your face. Maybe you took a picture of yourself and there seems to be some ice cream left on your nose or whatever you're trying to get rid of. There's a tool for that, believe it or not. So let me show you what that tool is. This tool is called the spot healing brush. The spot healing brush looks like this. It looks like a plaster, and you'll find this in the toolbar. So if you click and you'll find the spot healing brush. There we go. Spot healing brush. Now this prompt should come up if your image is a smart object. So it needs to be rasterized. Okay, you will say okay to this. Cool. Then what you do is say we would like to remove this mole over here on Cristiano Ronaldo's face. What we would do is just click and drag over that section, and it will show you something like that. Click and drag over the section, and as you can see, it's gone. So this would work for maybe wrinkles, scars, marks, or what it is that's unpleasant in your picture that you would like to remove. For instance, here he has this little wrinkle over here. So what we would do is click and drag. Sometimes you have to click and drag more than once so that it does the job perfectly. And here's some uneven skin tone as well. Let's do that. As you can see, it takes the uneven skin tone away. Makes it better. So yes, guys, that's the bonus episode for you guys. Short and sweet and very effective. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.